Come, follow me. Today I got this HDB at 574B Woodlands Street 16 to show you. Come, as we enter this area, okay, you can see that we are actually having this living and the dining separated. As you enter this living hall space, okay, you can see this whole living hall is, okay, can even have this TV console area, okay, with all this built-in storage space, okay, double up as your guest sitting area. Alright, if you have a lot of guests, you can actually gather them down or have a good, nice sitting area here. Okay, what I like about this unit is you look out. Okay, when you look out, we're actually facing this school field, okay, Woodgrove Secondary School, and we are at this height whereby it is nicely just right above the greens, okay, so you can have a very nice quiet ambient at night, okay. So this is a very nice facing, okay, totally unblocked. Okay, come, let me show you the kitchen. Okay, look at the kitchen condition. It is as good as new, alright. It has this door to close up also if you are doing your cooking. Okay, come, follow me. Both sides also have this kitchen top, okay. Everything as good as new. Alright. At the back, whereby there's the laundry area, you can go in and have a look. Okay, laundry area, dryer. On top also got the drying rack. Okay, basically this whole service yard is good for your laundry. Okay, and it is bright and very clean. Okay, come. Have a look at this dining area over here. Okay, dining area. Okay, good for 4-seater. Okay, if you want it to be a round table, also no issues. Okay, so for the owners here, right, they actually do use this as their work desk, okay, work area, and the kids study area also. Hey, come. Have a look at the first bedroom. Same facing as the living. Okay, very quiet facing. Okay. Very nice to look out, okay, during the day. Okay, you can have a look. Comes with aircon, okay, built-in aircon. There's a ceiling fan. Show you the second bedroom. Similar, ceiling fan, aircon, same facing. Okay, go in and have a look. Okay, this unit is very well maintained, alright. Okay, let me show you the common bathroom first. Okay, the common bath, as you can see, there are still the tapes below. So this is as good as a brand new BTO unit they get from HDB. Okay, the tapes are all there, never removed. So when you do your renovation, you'll be very easy for the contractor. They will know which piping is it. Okay, maybe before I move on, okay, for this master room, what they did was they have this built-in wardrobe over here. Okay, built-in wardrobe over here. Then there's this dressing table over here. Okay, so when the wife wake up early and do makeup, right, it will not disturb the husband who is still sleeping. So that's the intention of having this to partition this whole space. Okay, so as you can enter, okay, you can see this is a king size bed. Alright, king size bed. Okay, with a nice strip of light at the back to create ambient at night. Alright. Same facing as you can see. Okay, same facing. Alright, very nice view. Okay, and then there's this compartment over here for the TV. Okay, to mount this TV, and then yeah, TV cabinet. Right. Have a look at this master bath. Okay, very nicely done up. It is just done up few months ago. Alright, everything is as good as new. Okay, and there's this nice mirror. Okay, you look at the outline of the mirror, very nicely done up. Okay, this whole bathroom here, right, you feel like a hotel like that. Right, comes with rain shower also on top. Yeah. Okay, so all their bathrooms are all nicely done up and maintained. Alright, so this unit is definitely a move-in unit. If you would like to see it but for yourself, okay, to feel it for yourself, how clean the whole place is, you can zoom in on the floor. Okay, it's very clean. Okay, very nice. So this is exactly a move-in unit. Just bring your luggage in, you can move in already. Okay, do drop us a comment below and we will see you soon.